Hello, I'm Robert.
Hi, I'm Janelle.
And I'm Jonathan. Welcome to Robert's Jewelry.
Established in 1981, Robert's Jewelry is San Diego's finest full-service jewelry store. Robert's can assist you with expert jewelry and watch repairs that are done right on the premises. That means better quality and prices and a faster turnaround so you can enjoy wearing your piece sooner. Robert's can also fulfill your jewelry dreams with our custom design services. Whether you want to remount your existing diamond or make something that is truly one of a kind, we can assist you during the entire process. With leading technology in the jewelry manufacturing industry, as well as our expert jewelers, we guarantee you will have the best quality custom-made jewelry piece possible. If you're looking for a diamond or to trade in your diamond, we have the largest selection of loose diamonds that come in all shapes, sizes, and quality. We offer the most competitive pricing to compete and beat our wholesale, retail, and online competitors. How about getting the value of your jewelry or timepiece, or getting it insured? Robert's provides appraisal services that are done by GIA certified gemologists. Do you have any unwanted, broken, or mismatched jewelry? Bring it into Robert's Jewelry, where we will weigh, test, and pay you for it on the spot. It's that easy. We also offer professional ear piercing for adults, children, and babies. It's 100% safe and sterile. We encourage you to stop by our showroom and view our watches, unique jewelry brands, and one-of-a-kind jewelry creations done by Robert's. For more details on Robert's and our services, we encourage you to view our About and Service page or contact us by phone, email, or in person. We look forward to serving you with your jewelry needs.